Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to create partition on Windows 10. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is, so right click on start button and click here computer management option. And after that click here disk management option. Now right click on C drive and click here shrink volume and select here size for other partition. So we set here 300 GB 00 and click here shrink. So here is 500 GB and we get here 300 GB and right click this unlocated drive and click here new simple volume. Click next, set your partition size here, okay, and click here next button. You can set here any drive letter here, click here next and click here next. Don't change here anything, only click here next button. Finish. Okay, 200 GB partition will created here. Now right click this free space, new simple volume, click here next, click here next, set your drive letter any, okay, or next. Don't change here anything, click on next button and after that click here finish button. So in this video we create two partition, okay, one and one, two. Close this window, open my computer, this PC, and you can see here only two other partition we create here. So I hope you will know that how to create partition on Windows 10. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.